What's up, guys? Just want to show you my batteries. It's like a aftermarket batteries for my Canon Rebel T7i. Company is called oproda. I think that's how you say it. Got it on Amazon Prime. It was like 17 bucks or something like that. Maybe not too bad. Alright, in the box, I got the charger part. It says power bank, car charger. Oh, must be other stuff you can buy. It's got all the stats. It tells you that on the Canon T7i, it'll show you the battery life, how much is left. Apparently some other aftermarket batteries won't tell you how much battery is left, which can be kind of an inconvenience. Alright, here's one battery, the LPE17. Alright, let me get one more. And it comes with some instructions, which I don't think anyone's gonna need. Then you get a little card, thank you for purchasing, blah blah blah. Yep, don't need that. Get that out of the way. Alright, let's open this guy up. What else we got in the box? It's the cable. Okay. Get rid of that box. And we got the charger. Oh, nice little like digital display on there. I mean, the quality doesn't seem that bad for $17, $18, something like that. This. Chargeable batteries and instructions, don't need that. Alright, nothing in the box yet. Alright. I don't know. Seems like a okay quality. I don't know. Let's see how it works, I guess. Let's do another video after I use it and see how the battery life is. Because unfortunately, Canon, their batteries are like $50, $60. So yeah, I figured if this lasts just even a little bit less than the stock battery, I'd be totally happy. I mean, for 18 bucks, you know, I could buy 4 of these for less than one of the stock ones, so guess we'll see, huh? Alright, yeah, I'll do another video soon to let you know how everything works. See you soon.